Eres latino y bombero de oficio y te mudaste a un país anglosajón, sin mucho inglés en tu haber. Aún así, estás aplicando para una posición de bombero en ese país. Si ese es tu caso, este es el tutorial para ti. Sean todos bienvenidos a este tutorial inglés para bomberos. Comencemos. Dicen por el parlante, we were called to an emergency. There is a building fire occurring downtown. Tú dices, I am almost ready to leave. Let me put on my helmet and we are off. Cuando lleguen al sitio, informas. We just have arrived at the emergency scene. Y continúas hablando. The building is on fire, but just the third floor caught fire. El jefe de bomberos les dice, first engine to the fire floor. Second engine, water supply to the floor above the fire floor. First ladder, search and rescue. And please remember to be very cautious when going up. Keep in mind global awareness, your surroundings, and what are you supposed to do in there. Unchecked fire can spread and trap you. Move that ladder farther to the left. Right there. Climb the ladder and open the hose. Tú dices, we are getting in. There is too much smoke on the second floor. We are close to the flames source. Part of the third floor fell down over the second floor. We have already reduced part of the fire. El jefe de bomberos sigue hablando. Keep me posted all the time if there are seriously injured people. Tú dices entonces, now we are listening the voice of a girl asking for help. El jefe de bomberos te pregunta, come again? Are you certain? Tú respondes, I'm certain. Y sigues hablando tú. I'll keep searching. I found her. She is unwell. She's got a broken leg. I am carrying her downstairs. Cuando llegas afuera te dicen, place her into the gurney. Y cuando tú terminas tu labor, dices, this is a back-breaking job. Y también dices, I wonder, when did I decide to become a firefighter? Bueno amigos, hasta aquí este corto tutorial. Suscríbete, dale like y nos vemos en una próxima oportunidad. Chao.